Today we are going to do, children, we are going to learn laws of logarithms with uses. Now the first law is called as the product law. The first law is called as the product law. What is this product law? Now when you take a logarithm of any factor, when you take a logarithm of any factor or a product, product of any two numbers with a base, with any base, okay? And these two should not be equal to 0. It should be a non-zero number. It should not be 0. Then the logarithms, then the result will be the sum of the factors of this logarithm. Now see here, log m plus log n. So log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Okay. So this is the first law. The logarithms of any product will be equal to logarithm of the first factor plus logarithm of the second factor. Okay. Now this is the first law. Now if you take three numbers, log of m into n into p, let there be any base. Now I can take the base as a also. Now here it will be log a of m plus log a of n plus log a of p. So each factor here will be taken with log and it will be an addition. When it is a product, it will be an addition, sum of. Okay, so it will be an addition. Okay, now the second law, I don't want to discuss anything else here which will confuse you. You learn this much, that is enough. Okay, now the second law is what we call it as quotient law. Quotient law. Okay, quotient law. Now the quotient law is when you have a logarithm and you have a quotient, okay, that is you have a fraction like m by n, okay. Now this is a fraction, log of a fraction, or you can say it is a quotient. M by n is a quotient. Now here what happens, the log m, okay, minus, so this becomes minus log n. Now this we call it as the quotient law. When it is a fraction, the log m of the numerator minus log n of the denominator. This is your second law and we call it as a quotient law. Okay. Now the third one is we are going to learn the power law. Power law. Okay. Here when we have log m to the power of n. Now here it can be any base. Okay, if I take a, log m to the power of n, here what happens, this n will come before the log. So n log m. Okay, this n will come before the log. So n log m. This is the power law. Okay. Please copy it down. Fine. Now I'll move on to some simple things that you should know when you are doing logarithms. Okay. Children, I hope you find logarithms easy. Anyhow, I'll be calling on Zoom and I'll be clearing all your doubts. Okay. Now, when you have log here, nth root of a, something like this. Now here what will happen, you know that you have learned this in indices. Whenever it is nth root, this will be log a raised to the power of half. Isn't it so? So here, sorry, it will be 1 by n. Okay. Now this 1 by n will come before log. 1 by n log a. Okay. This is another thing that you should remember. If it is nth root, it will come by as 1 by n. If it is square, it will come by as 1 by 2. If it is cube, it will be 1 by 3. Okay. Now next thing is, now when the log, now usually log will be given like this, log x plus log y and all. See, when they don't give the base, it is understood the base is 10. Okay, and we call this as common logarithms. Okay, when they don't mention the base, it is understood as 10, and we call it as common logarithms. Okay, now if no base is given also, what we will do, we will consider it as 10 and we will write it down as 10. Now if they give log 8 like this, now this can be written as log 10 8. Understood? So the base is 10. Okay. Now next thing is, you should know that whenever it is log 10 1, now this will be equal to 0. Why it is 0? Now see here, 10 raised to the power of 0, when you write it in the exponential form, 10 raised to the power of 0. What is 10 raised to the power of 0? It is 1. That's why we write, whenever it is log 1, we write it as 0. Okay, so anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So here, when it is base 10, log 10 1, it is 0. Now what will be log 10 10? Now this will be 1. You know why? 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. So log 10 10 is equal to 1. Now what will be log 10 100? Now here 10, here 100, isn't it so? 100 can be written as 10 square. So what will come here? This will be 2. So 10 square is 100. So here 100 will be 2. Okay. Now log 10,000 will be, now see here, 10 and here 1000 will be 3 times, isn't it? So 10 to the power of 3. So here it is 3. So 1000 will be 3. Okay. These things you should remember. So as the number raises here, very simple to remember, 101, 202, 303, 404, 505, 606. It goes on like that, depending on number of zeros. It is easy to remember that way. Okay, children. Now next is, you should know what will happen if the base, now here you saw log 10 and 10 is 1. Similarly, when the base and the number here is same, it is equal to 1. Now log a of a will be equal to 1. Log of 8 will be 1. These things you should remember. See, when the base and this is same, it is 1. So here also it is same, it is 1. See here 8 and 8, it is 1. So these things you should remember and shouldn't forget it. Now we'll start using these formulas. We'll try to solve this using the formulas. We'll start off with exercise 8b. Okay. Exercise 8b. Now, first sum. What they are saying is, express in for terms of log 2 and log 3. Express in terms of log 2 and log 3. Okay. Now they have given the first sum as log 36. See here, log 36. Now log 36 can be written as, now you can find by prime factorization if you want. Otherwise simple is log 36 is 6 are 36. You can take 9 4s also. Then log will be, now 6 is 2 3s are, and this 6 is 2 3s are. So how many 2s you have? 2 2s and 3 2s. Okay. So here 3 square and 2 square. Now this is like this. So now what I can do is I can write it in the form of log 2 and log 3. Now see here, this is a product law. So log of, or I can write 2 into 2 square into 3 square, right? Now this I can write it as log 2 square plus log 3 square. Okay, log 2 square plus 3 square. See here, this factors, the product here, the factors I have taken it separately and I have taken a plus, sum of the factors. Now here, this, again I am using the power law here. This 2 will come in the front. So this will become 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. Children, should I explain it once again? Log 36 is log 6 into 6. You can write 9 into 4 also and split it. 9 into 4 will be 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 into 3 is 3 square, into 4 into 4. 4 is 2 into 2 is just 2 square. So 2 square into 3 square. This can be written as the product law, log 2 square plus log 3 square. Now this will come here at the front. We are using the power law, so 2 comes here, log 2. Plus this 2 comes here in the front and log 2. So now our answer is in terms of log 2 and log 3. Okay. Now log 144 you will do it. Okay. I will do the third one. Log 4.5. 4.5. You know that log 4.5 can be written as 45 by 10. Because it is 0.5, I have taken it as 10. Now we can reduce this. How much? 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10. So we are getting it as log 9 by 2. 9 again can be written as log 3 square by 2. 9 can be written as log 3 square by 2. Okay. Now see here, we are going to use the quotient law. Because it's a fraction, I can use a quotient law. So this will be log 3 square minus log 2. Now here I can use the power law. This becomes 2 log 3 minus log 2. See, I have expressed 4.5 in terms of log 2 and log 3. Once again I will explain. 4.5 is 45 by 10. 5 9s are 5 2s are, so 9 by 2. 9 by 2 can be written as 3 square by 2. Why did I take 3 square? Because they have asked us to express in log 3 and log 2. So log 3, since it is a fraction, I can use the quotient law. Log 3 square minus log 2. Now this 2 will come in the front. It will become log 3 minus log 2. Okay? I will do the last sum, fifth sum. You try the fourth sum as a homework. Okay? Fifth sum. It says log 75 by 16. Log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9. 2 log 5 by 9, okay, plus log 32 by 243. as log 32 by 243, like this. Now here what we are going to do is we are going to apply both the laws. When it is minus, we are going to apply quotient law. When it is plus, we are going to apply product law. Because now here it is, see here, each separately like this, minus and plus. So plus we will take it as a quotient law, minus we will take it as a product, minus will take it as a quotient law, plus we will take it as a product law. Now see here, this will be log 75 by 16 minus, now I will take this 2 here, okay, log 5 by 9 the whole square. Let me take it like this. I have taken this 2 as a power, you know from the power law, plus log 32 by 243. Okay. Now next step will be log 75 by 16 minus 5 square will become log 25 and 9 square will become 81 plus log 32 by 243. You may be thinking why ma'am is keeping everything. Now we'll try and solve it at one shot, the end. Now here I will take log here. Say 75 by 16. Okay. Now this is minus, so I can take it as a quotient law. Quotient law means this will come down. Okay, this will come down. So instead of writing it down, I can take it as a reciprocal. So whenever minus is there, you can take it as a reciprocal. So this will be into 81 by 25. Remember, whenever it is minus and you have a fraction, you can take it as a reciprocal. Now if you know that if it is not a fraction and you have a number here, it will come in the denominator. Since here it is a fraction, we are taking it as a reciprocal. Now into, okay, see here plus is there, so it will be product law. So here you will write 32 by 243. Again I am saying it, children, 75 by 16. Since it is minus, it is quotient law. When it is quotient, you will take the reciprocal. Okay, so 81 will go up and 25 will come down into. Now here it is plus, so it is a product law. Product law, it will be same, 32 by 243. Now we can simplify this. Okay. Now see here, 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are is 75. Okay. Now here 81 ones are and here 81 threes are. 81 into 3 is 243. Okay. Now see here, 3 and 3 gets cancelled here. Okay. Now 16 ones are, 16 twos are. You should know the bigger numbers because you all are in the higher classes. By now you should have learnt all these things. 81 into 3 will be 243. 16 into 2 is 32. 25 into 3 is 75. Now this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. Now you are left with only 2. So the answer for this will be, here nothing is there in the denominator, 1, 1, 1, 1. So here in the numerator I have 1 and 2. So it is log 2. Okay. Now this is the answer. Have you understood this? Okay, we'll move on to the second one. Second one again, I will do the first and the last. The middle one, you try it. Okay. Now, express each of the following in a form free from logarithms. You have to free the equation from the logarithms. Okay. What is this? They are saying 2 log x minus log y is equal to 1. 2 log x minus log y is equal to 1. Now see here, we have to remove the log here. It should be free from log. So what I'm going to do first thing here is, I'm going to take this 2 here as a power. So this will become log x square, okay, minus log y. Now when is it 1? I told you, if it is log 10, it is 1. So log 10. When it will be 2? When it is log 100. When it will be 3? When it is log 1000. These things you should remember. Now see here, it is a minus. So minus means it is quotient log. So it will be log x square by y. You will write only this, x square by y is equal to log 10. Okay. Now this 10 and this log and this log will cancel. So x square by y is equal to 10, or x square is equal to 10y. Now this is free from log. Understood? So this 2 goes up here, it becomes x square minus log y. 1 can be written as log 10. Now this, since it's a minus, it's a quotient log. So x square by y is equal to log 10. This log and log goes, so x square by y is equal to 10. Now I have taken this y up, x square is equal to 10y, or it can also be written as x is equal to root of 10y. Even this is possible. Any one of these is expected. Okay. Now I will do the third one. Second one, you try it. Okay. So this is first one. I am doing the third one. Now third one is a log x minus a log x minus b log y is equal to 2 log 3. 2 log 3. Okay. Now see here. Here this a will go here as a power log x to the power of a minus log y to the power of b is equal to log 3 to the power of 2. Now here, since there is a minus, what law will apply here? It will be a quotient law. So log of x raised to the power of a by y raised to the power of b is equal to log 3 square. Now log will go x raised to the power of a. Please children, don't cancel this log. Just leave it alone. Okay. So x raised to the power of a by y raised to the power of b is equal to 3 square. X raised to the power of a by y raised to the power of b is equal to 3 square. Now what is 3 square? X raised to the power of a by y raised to the power of b is equal to 9. You can even take x raised to the power of a is equal to 9 raised to the power of y raised to the power of b. You can either take it like this. Okay children. Now third main. I will do the second and the second and the third sum. No, I think you can do the first and the second. I will go to the third sum. Keep trying children, because everything, if I start doing it, you people will not try anything. Okay, you do it on your own, then we will check it. Teachers will check it. Okay. Third main, evaluate. Okay, evaluate. Third one I am doing it. Here we have got log 4 plus 1 by 3 log 125 5 minus 1 by 5 log 32. Minus 1 by 5 log 32. Okay. Now see here. Here it is. Whatever is in front of the log, you will take it as a power. So log 4 plus log. Here it is cube root of 125. Cube root of 125. Otherwise you can write it as 125 raised to the power of 1 by 3 minus log 32 raised to the power of 1 by 5. Like this. Okay. Now see here. Now this will be log 4 plus log. Now 125 is 5 cube. So 5 cube into 1 by 3 minus log 32 is 2 raised to the power of 5 into 1 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. So this will be log 4 plus log 5 minus log 2. Now you know when it is plus it is product, when it is minus it is quotient. So this will be log 4 into 5 by 2. This is how you will write. Log 4 into 5 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are. See, when it is a multiplication like this, children, you can cancel it. But when it is a plus or a minus here, you can't cancel from here to here. Okay? These you people are making that mistake every now and then. Now 2 5s are 10. Log 10. What is log 10? It is 1. Okay? See here, 25, 125 is 5 cube, 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled, 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. Here 32 is 2 raised to the power of 5, this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled, so 2. Now this is plus here, so product. This is minus, here it is quotient, it will come down. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 10, log 10 which is 1. Now next is prove that. Children, you can play any number of times this video. Okay, I'm telling you best way is by watching on the television, because there will be lot of distance and you can watch it and you can learn it. Okay, so it will not have any effect on your eyes also. Prove that 2 log 15 by 18. Prove that. Sometimes they will say PT. PT means it is understood as that. Log 2 log 15 by 18 minus log 25 by 162 plus log 4 by 9 Now this should be equal to log 2. So your right hand side should be equal to the left hand side. So what we will do is we will take our left hand side and we will solve. Okay, we will take this here. If you want, you can simplify it here. If you can't do it directly. Log. Now this 2 will go up there as 15 square by 18 square minus log 25 by 162 plus log 4 by 9. Okay. Now see here how I'm doing it. I'm not going to multiply this. It will, I'm going to make it easier. Now see here. This is 15 into 15. Okay, by 18 into 18. When we are trying to simplify, keep it like that only, so that our simplification becomes easier. Now when it is minus, I told you, you should take a reciprocal. So this would be 162 by 25. Okay. Now this into, this will be 4 by 9. Now see here. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. 15. Done? Now see here. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So I'm done with this and this and this. Now I'm left with 18 into 18, 162 and 4. Okay. Now see here, it is, when we take 2, it is 81 times. Okay. And here it is 2 nines are. Okay. Now see here, 2 twos are, again 2 nines are. You know that 9 nines are 81. 9 ones are 9. 9 times 9 and 9 gets cancelled. Now I am left with what? Everything got cancelled here. I am left with only 2. So this answer will be log 2. So here what is happening? Our LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. Now see here. I have taken 15. So 15 square I have taken it as 15 into 15 because our cancellation becomes easy. Now 18 square I have taken 18 into 18. Now since this is minus, I have taken a reciprocal, 162 by 25, and here it is a product log, so 4 by 9. Okay. Now here I took 5 5s are, 5 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Now this 3 and 3 will get cancelled here. 3 3s are 9 and 9 here. Okay, done. Now 2 2s are, 2 9s are. Okay. Now 2 81 times, and here again 9 and 9. Yes, so 9 ones are, 9 ones are, yeah, 9 nines are 81. This gets cancelled. So I am left with only 2. So log 2 is equal to log 2. Hence proved. In the fifth sum, they are asking us to find the value of x. I will teach you this and then I will stop so that I will send the remaining by the next video. Fifth one. Find the value of x. Find x. Find x if. Okay. Now they are saying x minus log 48. Okay. Plus 3 log 2 is equal to 1 by 3 log 125, then minus log 3. Minus log 3. Okay. Now what we will do is we will try and shift everything from the left hand side to the right hand side. It will be more easy and convenient. Here, see 1 by 3, I can take it as log 125 raised to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, minus log 3. Now this minus here comes that side and becomes plus log 48. Okay, and this plus, when it comes that side, it becomes minus 3 log 2. Okay, now see here, x is equal to, now log 125 is 5 cube into 1 by 3 minus log 3 plus log 48 minus, this 3 goes up here and becomes log 2 cube. You know what is 2 cube? That is 8. Now 3 gets cancelled. So here log 5 minus log 3 plus log 48 minus log 8. Now wherever minus, it will be a quotient. Wherever plus, it will be a product. 5 and this will come down. 3 into 48 and this will come down. See, minus 1 will come down, plus will become a quotient to be in the numerator. Now 8 ones are 8, 6 are 48, 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. What is 5 twos are? Log is log 10? X is equal to log 10. So x is equal to 1. Log 10 is equal to 1. So x value is 1. See, I have taken minus log 48 that side plus 3 log 2 that side. So it will be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 I have taken it as a power plus here minus log 3 plus this minus 48 has come plus 48 plus 3 log 2 will become minus 3 log 2. So here 125 is 5 cube. Cube gets 3 gets cancelled. So 5 log 5 minus log 3 plus log 48 minus. Now this 3 goes up here becomes a power. So 2 cube is 8. So log 5 minus log 3 plus log 48 minus log 8. Now minus will come down. So 5 by 3 plus will be in the numerator. Minus will come down. So 8 ones are 8 six are 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 twos are 10. Log 10. Log 10 is nothing but 1. So the x value is 1.